Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra, air sign. This is January weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what's going on and what are the messages for you, Libra. So what's the messages for Libra? Nine of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, and the Lovers. Seven of Cups, Six of Wands, and Ten of Cups. Separation. Yeah, under the deck, the Tower moment. I think Libra, right now you are going through some hard phase in your life. Maybe near future. Definitely there is some Tower moment is going to be happen. But it is for only good because after this Tower moment, you are going to concentrate on your career, on your abundance a lot. Okay? Definitely there is some Tower moment for you. For your connection also. Let's see your reading. Recent past. Nine of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, and the Lovers. Yeah, you love this person. Maybe they are not available to you emotionally. Okay, they are non-committal, could be because the Lovers cards always does mean that they are only there is pure love. No, for some you both have physical intimacy but no have emotional balance. That also causes separation. So what I'm getting here, why you walked away from this connection? Because there is no emotional balance. Maybe your person is non-available to you emotionally. Whatever maybe the reason could be, you walked away and you stand by your power and you overcome this pain because Nine of Pentacles is here. You decided to work on yourself. You decided to invest energy on yourself. Nine of Pentacles. A lot of abundance is coming in your way, Libra. And right now what is going? Seven of Cups, Six of Wands, and Ten of Cups. Yeah, I think you have options. Maybe for some a new person is coming in your way. And you are getting recognition for your hard work. Six of Wands. Now you are very attractive to all the persons because you are getting recognition and you have options too. And Ten of Cups, maybe some happiness is coming in your way. Someone want to offer this. They want to come towards you. Maybe the past person could be. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Because so in near future, Four of Cups, Four of Swords, and Three of Swords. I think you are wishing for this to come, but it is not coming what I'm seeing here because the future energies, Four of Cups, Four of Swords, and Three of Swords. Maybe, yeah, if they come, for some, yeah, they're coming back to offer this, but you are not going to accept this offer. Yeah, because there are some trust issues also. Yeah, you are undergoing some healing and meditation because you are heartbroken right now. And just Four of Swords energy, you are not talking to anyone and you are thinking about them and you are undergoing some meditation and healing because you are in this pain. You want to heal this pain first. Yeah, I think that for some you are in relationship with your person but something happened between both of you, then the separation had happened. Okay, whatever may be the reason, but you are working on yourself, you overcoming this pain and you want to undergoing some meditation. But you are hoping this happiness will come to you, but maybe for some when they're coming back but you are not accepted. For some you feeling sad for the missed opportunity with your person. That's why you are very heartbroken. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So yeah, right now you are very heartbroken and the Tower moment. And the person current feelings and the near future actions. Let me see. The Star. I think your person still hoping for this connection. First we will see your person current feelings, Libra. Later we will see their actions. So your person current feelings, King of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, Two of Swords. Maybe they are in some confusion state. Maybe they are at some crossroads. Yeah, they are in some confusion state right now, Libra. Seven of Pentacles and King of Swords. Some communication is coming in your way, but right now your person at some crossroads, they have to make some decision. Yeah, they are willing to invest on this connection, but some confusion. So let's see the near future actions towards you. A lot of air energy. Yeah, Three of Cups. Yeah, they want reconciliation. For some it could be third party situation also, Libra. You both got four cards. Four of Cups. Yeah, Justice. Yeah, they want second chance with you, but it will take time because right now your person at some crossroads. There is some confusion state. Maybe they are juggling. Three of Cups with Four of Cups. Yeah, they are feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you, and they really want to take this relationship to next level. But Chariot is very slow moving energy. Yeah, they're coming back. They want to take action towards you, but very slow. Yeah, they're going to be take action. They really want reconciliation with you. Three of Cups. They want the celebration with you. Maybe you are not trusting them because past hurts due to past hurts. You are also heartbroken. Maybe you are also feeling sad for the missed opportunity with this person. Yeah. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed and an outcome. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Let's see the outcome. I want clarification card for Death. Yeah, communication. Yeah, communication is coming. They want to communicate their feelings with you. They want to express their true feelings to you. Yeah. Because they're scared that you are moving on. Death card is here. That's why they want to communicate with you. They want to express their true feelings. They want success in this connection. And under the deck, Four of Wands. They want reconciliation. They want home with you. Maybe you both could be twin flames also. For some. Lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, communication. Lots of communication. Some changes. Again, Cancer. Yeah, they're going to be make some movement, some action. They're going to be take some action towards you. And this relationship, reconciliation will happen if you're in separation. If you're not in separation, definitely this relationship is going to be next level, because lot of movement I'm seeing here. Eight of Wands 2 times. Lots of communication. There will, and some positive changes or also some shifts also coming in your relationship. Lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and you both have equal love, mutual love sharing between both of you. Yeah, there is love between both of you. So let's see your overall energy, Libra, for the week. King of Pentacles, commitment. Yeah, High Priestess. I think Libra, you are trusting your intuition. That's you are taking your decision regarding your inner voice. Yeah, there is obsession. Definitely your person is obsessed with you, or you are obsessed with your person. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn. Page of Wands. One person is younger than the other person in this connection, and one person is very good looking. And yeah, you are also feeling sad for the separation. Yeah, you are also suffering in silence. Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, they're coming back. This time your person is sincere and they want to offer stability to this connection, but very slow moving energy right now they are in. So let's see your person overall energy. Queen of Cups, Judgment, Seven of Cups, Hermit. Maybe your person undergoing some transformation, some awakening. Yeah, they're fantasizing about you a lot. Maybe they have options too, but they're going to be choose you. They're going to be make some action towards you because Judgment is here, making decision. And Queen of Cups, they have strong emotions for you. They really, yeah, they're going to be make action soon, and communication is coming in your way, Libra. So let's see some message for you from Moon Oracle Deck Libra. You are very close to achieving your goal. Wow. So if you are waiting for your reconciliation and it is coming, if you are working hard towards your goals and you are very consistent toward your goals and waiting for your result and it is the time, you are very close to achieving your goals. So be consistent if you are not seeing any movement in anything in your life right now, because you are very close to achieving your goal, and this is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.